Hello friend, welcome to the Travel Vault YouTube channel. This video discuss about why these are the 10 best northern lights hotels in the US. So let's start my video. These are the 10 best northern lights hotels in the US. Summary: discover the best place in the US to witness the enchanting northern lights for Alaska to Maine and even Washington. The best time to see the aurora borealis in the US is from September to March, but the timing is unparalleled. Experience the magic of the dancing lights from the comfort of Northern Lights hotels, offering ideal location and breathtaking views. For all those waiting to witness and spectacular show to dancing aurora borealis by best times is here many times of believe best place to see and magical display in the world. They see the northern lights US that they are Italy located and the plans northern lights vacation package with comfort fun thrill. Chena Hot Spring Resorts, Fairbanks, Alaska. The best place to see the northern lights in the US is unique, unquestionably Alaska, with many around 21 world wonderful destination offering the extraordinary shows, but is one of the has the pick one spot for the Alaska Northern Lights. Fairbanks is certainly the best for the location south of the base camp for the ultimate wilderness experience, but Chena Hot Spring Resort is the best bet for a luxurious stay. Visitors can readily place accommodation choice. Switch Waiters, White Pine Lodge, Panhandles National Forest, Idaho. The vast horizons and dark skies for the northern panhandles make Idaho one of the best places to see the northern lights. Visitors can stay in Cold Allen or rent a cottage in the wood, spend a memorable vacation while being just stressed for all the vacation on the slopes. Bar Harbor in Acadia National Park, Maine. One of the best national park in the US for stargazing in Acadia National Park, but is it possible to see the northern light where absolutely yes. Nevertheless, only during the coldest month of December and January, while the park itself has numerous campgrounds where guests can fly for a unique experience. There are many lounging alternatives, but close by that offer Frenchman Bay, a short drive for an entrance of Acadia National Park. The hotel is a great option for those who wish to experience both convenient access to service and the northern lights. Parkside in Bridgeview Headlands International Dark Sky Park, Michigan. One of the best dark sky park in the US, Headland International Dark Sky Park is as well known as the unexpected stargazing opportunities, including the potential to see the northern lights while there are the accommodation option with the park guests looking for a place to stay with a chance to see the northern light. You choose from the variety of accommodation placed near all of the action in Magna City Village and at Abgar Glacier National Park, Montana. Located in Montana, the second least sparsely populated states in the US, Glacier National Park offers the best opportunities to chase the aurora, while the park has campground and other lounging alternatives. The village and the Abgar is clearly the best due to its historical appeal. Prime lakeside positive to enough to amenities. There provides spectacular aurora borealis, modern convenience. Americans by Windham, Medora, Theodore Roosevelt National Park, North Dakota. North Dakota near the Canadian border is another good place in the United States to see the northern light. This perennially beautiful sky show can be viewed around the state all year spectacular sedimentary rock in the distance as well as the light. Cobblestone and Suits Ashland, Apostle Island National Lake Shore, Wisconsin. Apostle National Island National Lakeshore. It is made up to 21 charming islands and the piece of the Bayfield Peninsula along the shore of the Lake Superior in Wanicom. The region provides a variety of recreational options including kayaking, hiking, camping, and the North Miss Aurora viewing. There are numerous training in the cottage in the Bayfield area, but Iceland will be then go to any of the Apostle Island at the night to view the breathtaking aurora. The Plains of Kabetogama Resort, Voyageurs National Park, Minnesota. Aurora hunting, the popular sport of tourists in northern Minnesota, as they turn of the 200 times annually. A prime location to see them is Voyageurs National Park, which is only a short distance from the Canadian border, and then inky skies mean incredibly light shows that there are evidence camping sites, cabins, cottage, and resort. National Park, the experience activities including hiking, boating, fishing, and comfy lodging. Omni Mount Washington Resort, Mount Washington Valley, New Hampshire. Mount Washington Valley, New Hampshire is another good vacation in the US to have magical aurora experience. Located in the foothills of Mount Washington, the valley with minimal light pollution and dark skies offers numerous possibilities to see the auroras. Many other exciting activities. Olympic Lodge by Rice Olympic National Park, Washington. Olympic National Park provides dark skies, the minimal impact from light pollution, which increase the likelihood of seeing auroras. The park varied landscape, which range for deep world of coastal region, provide numerous opportunities for exciting activities as well as beautiful location for stargazing at the weather of travel for their rooms. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed. The travel has affiliate and sponsor partnerships, so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।